Good morning, my pupils. How are you today? Now I speak about the school objects. A pen, a bag, a ruler. Repeat after me now. Ripetete dopo di me. A pen, a bag, a ruler. What color is the pen? It's blue. What color is the bag? It's pink. What color is a ruler? It's yellow. Very good. A rubber, a book, a pencil. Repeat after me. A rubber, a book, a pencil. What color is the rubber? It's blue and red. What color is the book? It's green. What color the pencil? It's black and yellow. Excellent. Now you draw these pictures and write their names on your English exercise book. Allora bambini, adesso sul vostro quaderno disegnate queste immagini e accanto scrivete il loro nome. Bye bye, see you soon. Your teacher, Chiara.